How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, today I'm heading to the dealership. I'm having a little battery issue or alternator. I'm not really sure what it is, so I'm going to take it over there, see if we can diagnose it. As you can see right now, I'm at like 14, 8, 9, 15 volts almost. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it's at. Yesterday, after replacing the battery, it was fine. I drove around a little bit, went to the Cars and Coffee, and at that point, coming home, I was at like 12 and a half. So that's pretty much my situation. Maybe it's normal, maybe it's just me. I'm not really sure. But like I said, I'm going to go take it in and see what we can figure out. And if we come up with something, I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well, we just got here. Let me get inside. Jason should be expecting me, and let me talk to him, see what's going on. Well, Jason's a little busy right now. Let's walk inside, see what's going on, see if they got anything new. Maybe some new Vets or a new ZL1. It's a nice old Chevy. 30s, maybe 40s. I'm not sure what it is, but it is kind of cool. Here we go. 2017, black on black. Good looking car. It's really growing on me. I don't think I'm in the market for one. Let's look at the inside here. Looks pretty clean. It's definitely nice. I've sat in one before. It's a little tight for me, honestly. The seats, I mean, I could deal with, you know, crawling in and out of it, you know, for such a nice car. But let's see what we got here. What is that? 69 and change, 69,000. Not too bad. Good looking car. Exposed carbon fiber hood. Z06 in red. The first one I've seen in red, actually, at least in person. Definitely looks nice. No Z07 package, but still real nice. Tell you what, man, I really love this car. This is the Grand Sport, and this is kind of a special edition one. I forget what they call it. I think this is the one they debuted in Germany with the blue stripes and the blue interior and everything. Man, the thing just looks crazy. Man, I love it. I wish I could fit in one with the roof on, but honestly, I can't, unless I take the seat out. Alright guys, just left the dealer, dropped it off. Hopefully to get done today. I kind of doubt it. Either way, it's not a big deal, so everything's covered under warranty. They treated me good as always, so hopefully I can get back to you later with some updates, a little information. Alright guys. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually on my way to the dealership to pick up the Camaro. I guess fortunately they found no issues with the alternator or anything. They actually even got the battery to take a charge. So it looks like we're good to go from what they say. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's 100% yet. But as you guys know, with these electrical gremlins, you gotta get it to duplicate itself, and it's hard to do. So when I brought it in there, man, everything was running fine. So I'm gonna go back over there, pick it up. Hopefully everything's good, and I'll get back to you guys later and let you know. So stay tuned. How you doing, guys? Just left Sawgrass Chevy. Everything checked out fine, like I had stated previously. Pretty much pegged at 15 volts right now, so we're looking good there. Hopefully I have no issues in the future, but if I do, I'll always take it back. My service manager Dave and my service advisor Jason are always more than happy to take care of me. If you guys need any GM warranty work or just work in general, I wouldn't hesitate to take it to them. Very professional, never had an issue with them. So again, guys, I'm glad I could report back with some good news. And as always, if you liked the video, please share it with your friends, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.